Hello, sound superstars. Great job last lesson. Today we learn letter sounds. The sounds letters make in words. Ready? Let's go. First sound, I, E like tree. See the tree, B on tree. Say with me, E, C, B, meat. Now short I like insect, it crawls, tip finger, kiss mummy. Words, it, kiss, tip, pick, busy, say fast. It, kiss, tip. Short E like egg, let go, tell mummy, bread is yummy. Words, let, tell, send, bread, weather, say, egg, let, tell. Long A like day, day, sunny. Play ball, say hello. Words, late, make, day, play, cake. They sing, a, day, play. The short A sound is A like in apple, a cat with a hat. Words, cat, apple, mad, land. Say, a apple, cat, hat. Sound detective challenge. Which word has the EE sound? Tree, toy. Say which has the long A sound, day or dog, day. Quick practice. Say these sounds. E, see tree, a, cat, hat. Great job sounding like experts. Sound rhyme time. Cat sees a bee, says, see me. Cow eats an apple. Yum! What a happy cow. Thumbs up if you love sounds. See you next week for more phonics fun.